Hi friends. Welcome to Dentistry Love Channel. Biomechanical Preparation Part 3, Phases in Shaping of Root Canal. Negotiation, Patency Filing. Coronal Pre-enlargement. Working length determined. Shaping techniques. Working width. Patency filing. Precurved ISO size 10 file, stainless steel file. Reaming motion, it means clockwise cutting rotation of the file. In calcified canals, with obstruction, size 6/8 file can be used to locate the canal, creating a path passively to apical foramen. Helps in maintaining a continuous and clear path by removing debris, when combined with irrigation. Coronal pre-enlargement, it means the pre-enlargement of the canal orifice in the coronal portion. Advantages of it includes reduced potential of excruciating debris beyond apex. Apical gauging more accurate. Better irrigation. Prevents premature binding of instruments to canal walls. 3 to 4 mm into canal space. Orifice enlargers can be done using nickel titanium system or Gates Glidden drills. Movements in BMP. Filing motion, indicates push-pull motion with the file. Reaming motion defined as the clockwise cutting rotation of the file. Watch winding motion is the clockwise and counterclockwise rotation of the instrument. Balanced force, refers to combined filing motion, reaming motion and watch winding motion. Here, the pics explains it. Techniques employed includes. First one is step-back technique and it is of two types. They are conventional which employs hand instruments only. And then comes passive type which employs both hand and rotary instruments. Second one is crown-down technique which uses both hand and rotary instruments. It is of three types, pressureless where no apical pressure employs while shaping the canal. Double flaring refers to combined coronal flaring and step-back technique. And finally the balanced force technique. Last type is hybrid technique where both hand and rotary instruments employed. Step-back technique. Number 10 and number 15 file inserted till working length, use in reaming motion. Apical enlargement to develop apical stop at least 3 sizes, 10K, 15K, 25K. Increase file size progressively and working short by 1 mm. Then the recapitulation is done. Here the pic explains the same. Recapitulation, this is accomplished after each successively larger file by irrigating, and then returning to file smaller than file which prepared the apical portion of canal. After preparing the body of canal. Number 2 and number 3 GG drills used for coronal preparation. Here the pic explains the same. First, apical third is prepared followed by middle third and finally coronal third is prepared. Crown down technique. Coronal flaring with GG drills number 2 and number 3 with each file being sequentially shorter. A larger file, size 60. Is placed in coronal aspect and canal is instrumented in watch winding motion, sequentially smaller files till working length. Final taper with circumferential filing is done. Here the pic explains the same. First, the coronal third is prepared using GG drills followed by middle third and finally apical third is prepared. Hybrid technique, it involves coronal instrumentation with reaming motion and apical instrumentation with circumferential filing. Here the pics explains the same. First, the coronal flaring is done first, followed by the preparation of apical third. By step-back technique, followed by the preparation of middle third at last. It is the combo of crown down and step-back technique. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.